Thank you for tuning into your daily operations weather briefing for Tuesday, April 28th. Currently seeing some mostly sunny skies across much of the Delmarva. That will change as we go towards the late morning hours into the afternoon, expecting clouds to increase, also expecting a slight chance of some isolated shower activity once we get towards the late afternoon hours as a warm front moves across the region. Taking a look at our surface analysis across the area, you see we do have high pressure centered across the mid-Atlantic this morning. That's helping to give us some fairly light and variable winds and also helping to give us these mostly sunny skies. We will be seeing this weak warm front start to approach the area late this afternoon and into tonight. That's going to give us a chance of just some spotty showers late tonight into this evening, and then we will be seeing some more south to southwesterly flow start to ramp up tomorrow, giving us some warmer temperatures. Take a quick look at our satellite loop here this morning. As you can see across the Delmarva, not too much cloud cover, but just to the west of the Delmarva, we are seeing the abundance of some mid and upper level cloudiness that will continue to move eastward, impacting our area by the afternoon hours. As of 8 a.m., seeing just a few clouds at 12,000 feet, few at 20,000, scattered at 25. Winds were from azimuth 300 at 6 knots, temperature of 47 degrees. For today, going to be looking at a high of around 59 degrees this afternoon. Winds are going to be fairly variable and light this morning and into the early afternoon hours. Then once we get to the mid-afternoon, they will shift southeasterly around 7 to 12 knots. That'll help to put our cap on our temperatures, allowing them to stay below 60 degrees especially once that southeasterly flow ramps up. After about 4 p.m., that's when we're going to start to see some chances of shower activity. Only looking at about the 20% to 30% chance of showers. Not a whole lot of forcing with this very weak front, but it is going to help to keep our temperatures mild tonight. Only going to be expecting a very early low of around 52 degrees. We will see southeasterly winds increase just a bit overnight, becoming 9 to 14 knots and gusty, seeing a temperature of 60 degrees by mid-morning tomorrow with a continued southeasterly flow, and then we'll see those winds shift southerly and southwesterly once we get towards the late morning hours tomorrow. Taking a look at our terminal forecast, we are going to be seeing those mid-level clouds increase towards lunchtime, becoming broken at 10,000, broken at 20,000, broken at 25,000, and then becoming overcast around that 10,000 foot level shortly after that. Then we're going to see those clouds lower a bit, seeing ceilings lower to around the 6 to 7,000 feet or so, and then seeing them as low as around 4 to 5,000 feet if we get any light showers after 4 p.m. Shower chances will persist through about the 2 a.m. Hour late tonight, and then we'll start to slowly see things clear up, but still going to be looking at mostly cloudy skies, so only a little bit of clearing expected by mid-morning tomorrow, with a few at 7,500, broken at 11,000, and broken at 25,000. We are seeing tides normal along the Delmarva Atlantic coast this morning. Let's go through a short-term weather model just to show you how these showers might progress tonight. This is 2 p.m. this afternoon. As you can see, we are going to start to see some shower activity across the Delmarva. It does look like the biggest threat will be across central and northern portions, but we are going to be seeing them very spotty across the region. There's a little bit more of a higher chance depicted on this model around the midnight hour, and then the front will be lifting north of the area shortly after that, which will help to start increasing our temperatures. So for tomorrow, we are going to be looking at partly to mostly cloudy skies and pleasant. It is going to become breezy late as those prefrontal winds start to ramp up. We are expecting a high of 71 degrees. Wednesday night's going to be mild as we continue to see some southerly flow with breezy conditions. We are expecting those winds to gust in excess of 25 knots by the time we get Wednesday evening and throughout Wednesday night with a very mild low of 60 degrees. Then on Thursday, we're going to continue to see those winds ramp up as that front approaches. Expect those winds to be rather gusty Thursday in advance of the approaching front. Still some uncertainty on the exact timing of that front. It does look like the models have slowed it a bit, so it will be likely a late afternoon event into the evening hours Thursday. Still looks like there's going to be quite a bit of low cloudiness across the region Thursday, so that will kind of dampen our chances for any stronger thunderstorms, but there is some heavy dynamics and very good moisture with this system, so it does look likely we'll be seeing heavy rain even without thunderstorms on Thursday, and still going to be looking at that chance of some lightning across the region, as well as those continued gusty winds through Thursday evening, expecting a high at Wallops of 66. Thank you for tuning in to your daily operations weather briefing. Have a great day.